How to install your Mini and Mini Pro version 1.2 handles to Mini and Mini Pro version 1.2 body with lift kit. Gather all necessary parts and accessories for installation. Begin by lifting the front platform to facilitate access. Detach the right bottom screw from the platform on each side. Remove the screws from each handle to prepare for bracket installation. Install the bracket by hand tightening it first. The longest side should be positioned in the handle. Align the bracket hole with the platform screw hole and hand tighten the screw. Proceed to install the remaining screws by hand tightening them. Use one bolt, 2 washers, and a nut for the outer side of the platform. Insert the bolt with one washer first. Then place the second washer on the opposite side of the bolt, followed by the nut. Secure the bolt and nut using an Allen wrench and a 10 mm wrench. Finish by firmly tightening all remaining screws. Follow the same procedure for the installation of the second handle. Ensure all components are securely fastened and check for stability before use.